We often do something repeatedly in our daily life. For example, we wash dishes after a meal. Take a dish, rub it with a sponge, rinse it, put it next to the table, see if they are dirty dishes. Return to number 1 if yes. Finish washing dishes if no. In the washing dishes, we probably have to repeat the process. We programmers often use the loop processing. In Java programming, there are two types of loops, for and while. I'm going to describe the for statements this time. The for statement repeatedly loops until particular conditions become true. It is used to execute a set of statements repeatedly when condition is satisfied. You can see these words inside the parentheses: initialization, condition, increment / decrement. The initialization means that the initial condition that is executed once when the loop starts. The condition is invoked each time to test its loop. The loop continues execution while the condition is true. It terminates when the condition evaluates to false. The increment / decrement is executed after each iteration through the loop. It increments or decrements the variable value. Let's see its example. You can see the for statement in the main method. The part of the int I equals 0 is the initialization. The variable I initializes 0. The part of the I less than 13 is the condition of the loop. The loop continues repeatedly while I less than 13 condition is true. The part of the I plus is the increment. The variable I adds 1 after the system out statement is executed. For example, if the variable I is 3, assign the sum of the 3 and 1 to it. \n is a new line character. It is used to break the line. The result is the vertical row of the numbers of the left side. You can see the numbers from 0 to 12 in the vertical row. Make sure you check it does not include 13. Let's see another example. The first line of the main method is initialize string type array. Inside the for statement, each value of the array is displayed on the console. You can see the array length in the condition of the for statement. That means the length of the array. Count on the length of the array: A, B, C, D, E, F. So the array length is 6. As I said earlier, the for statement repeatedly loops until particular conditions are correct logically. This time, there's no \n inside the system out in this program. Instead, the space is added at the end of the content of the array. As a result, the uppercase characters that contained in the array lineup in the horizontal line. Let's go create a new practice Java program on your own. Needless to say, make sure you use the for statement in this practice. If you check this answer program, click the URL in the description below. Enjoy it. Bye for now.